Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about how to lower your cost per message on Facebook ads. Sometimes, even if your ad is running, the cost per message can be high. Don't worry, there are several steps you can take to reduce costs and make your campaign more effective. First, make sure your ad set has exited the learning phase. During the learning phase, ad performance isn't yet stable, so high costs at this stage aren't necessarily indicative of future results. Once your ad set exits the learning phase, you can start optimizing for lower costs. Here's some strategies to help lower your cost per message. Improve your audience. Expand your audience. A larger audience gives the delivery system more opportunities to find lower cost messages. You can also modify your audience if certain segments aren't relevant, such as people outside your service area. Don't remove segments just because their costs were high before. The system looks for the lowest cost opportunities first. Keep in mind, reducing your audience too much may prevent the system from finding cheaper messaging opportunities. Add new placements. More placements equals larger audience, more chances to get low-cost conversions. Don't remove placements that have shown higher costs. Adding options generally helps the system find cheaper results. Improve your creative. The quality and relevance of your creative and post-click experience directly affect your cost per message. More relevant ads tend to cost less and achieve better results. If your ad has a below-average relevance score, consider improving your creative or post-click experience. If your ad's frequency is high or the delivery status reads creative fatigue, your audience may be overexposed. Rotate your creatives or create new ones. Check event signals. Ensure that your Metapixel, Conversions API, or Facebook SDK for iOS and Android are correctly integrated. Incorrect setup can lead to fewer attributed events, which can increase your cost per message. Optimize your setup. If the delivery status reads Learning Limited, optimizing your setup can help reduce costs. Make sure you have a sufficient audience, placements, and budget so your ad can exit learning phase efficiently. If your costs are still high, there may be increased auction competition. You can also check for and reduce auction overlap to improve cost efficiency.